Hello, fellow translators. Today I'm talking to you about something a bit more serious, and it has something to do actually with a comment that I received on a video a couple videos ago. The comment was by Daniela, and it says, well, and she wrote, I would like to suggest you make a video regarding the mental health of freelance translators during this pandemic. I don't know how things are in your country, but here in South America, where the vaccine is too slow, translators are not finding jobs as before because most companies are closed and it's affecting their mental health. Many have tried to commit suicide, as other professions as well. Will be very important, as you seem to be in good shape, to address this issue in your channel, and other translators may find support from you. And another idea is, if you're interested, you could ask once a week a translator to your channel to chat with you so they feel embraced by you and you get more views for your channel. The more views for channel is, I've mentioned before, that's not something, I don't want to grow my channel in that sense, but I want to have it more of a sense of community. But the other stuff she mentioned, I think, is very important. And I replied there, and basically in the reply though, I said, things haven't been that bad for me directly. And because of that, and she's right, I have been sort of blessed in that sense. My immediate family, I have had family members who've gotten COVID, back in Italy and elsewhere. And but my direct family, as in my wife and kid, my parents and my sister, we haven't. We've been able to work, and it's been a mess and all that. But by and large, we've been very blessed in that sense. And because of that, I feel I'm not really in a position to help other people out. Like, I feel inadequate. I don't feel qualified to do so in a way. And I really like to, but every time so I have a video coming out soon, which talks about my priorities in 2021 and how they change. And it touches upon this and it talks about this. But I felt like, that was as far as I wanted to go, talking about my priorities and how they go, because I can't really give advice to other people or anything along those lines, because I feel I'm just not qualified. I'm not qualified in any sense of the word. Obviously, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a psychiatrist or anything along those lines. I'm a translator, but also I haven't been going through what a lot of other people have been going through, and I recognize that. And so while we have been going through quite a bit, everyone in the world has, I really don't feel I'm qualified to do that as much. So I was thinking about how to go about this, because it is something important and I think it should be addressed. And basically, what I would prefer to do, rather than have me talk at you and tell you stuff, is for you guys to be able to talk to each other and help each other out, and maybe have someone to talk to if you ever need it, because I think that would really help out. And with YouTube, it's not that easy to do that, because this is a video that you guys are watching, and I'm talking at you guys. You guys can comment and stuff like that, but it's not really the same. I have the microphone, so to speak. And so many times you can watch it. And anyway, what I prefer to do is have something more of a sense of community. And the solution I came up with is, quite frankly, the Facebook group that I have. As many of you know, I set up a Facebook group, the Freelance Translator webinar group, where I talked about my webinar and then another webinar, and I kept it open for that. And then I was going to close the group, quite frankly, because it didn't really have much purpose after that. But I'm thinking what I might do is change the name and purpose of the group in a way. I'll change it to Freelance Translator Help, maybe, and where you can find help for freelance translators, like in resources and websites and stuff for the translation itself and the work itself, but also as a place where, as a community, we can help each other. And I think that would be helpful and useful in a way. Yeah, so people can go there and talk to each other and help each other out. And I'm a lot more comfortable with that than me trying to play the doctor or something like that, which obviously I can't do. And so yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And I'm going to basically change the name and kind of repurpose the Facebook group, so it's more of a community where freelance translators can talk with each other and discuss these things with each other. And, hopefully that can work out. So I'm going to link to the group down here in the description below. So feel free to check that out, and feel free to share any experience you have or things that have been going on, and and share it with other people. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Obviously, I don't want things to get bad or ugly or whatever it might be. And if that's the case, then anyway, I'll deal with it as it comes up. So far, it's been good. With the group, I have to say, it's been it's been quite good. You know, the worst you get is some people trying to promote their stuff, and you get that with any type of group. But that's fine. But otherwise, it really is more of a sense of community, and I think it is helpful, and I think it's good to find a place like that where you can find people like yourself that you can talk about these things with. So feel free to check it out, and yeah, feel free to share any experiences you have and see if other people have been having that experience, and you know, and you can find someone else to talk to about it. And I think it could be quite helpful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any thoughts on it, feel free to let me know, either here in the comments or in the group itself, and we'll take it from there. I think it'll be good for people to have a place to go to when the going gets tough and things are happening, as they are during these times. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. And feel free to check out the group. And I hope all of you stay well. And I'll talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.